counselors often call and will say, what kind of student are you looking for? And while yes, we love students that are titled leaders across campus, maybe a student body president, things like that, but we're also looking for students that are the ones that haven't fully realized that they are leaders. You don't have to be in a titled role to be a leader. You can be what I like to call a quiet force. You're the person that's influencing others in a solid, quiet, supportive way. So we're really looking for all kinds of student leaders because it takes all kinds of leaders to make the world a success. So we want students that maybe haven't realized their potential yet, as well as the ones that have. But it really needs to be a student that is willing to come here, be invested, be engaged, willing to put in the work, and wants to grow. Because those are the students that we see really thrive after they've left the program.